There are 8 planets in the solar system revolve around the sun. Join us to learn about the different planets. A single login had some fun. My name is Mercury. I'm the first planet from the sun. My color is gray and black. My name is Venus. I'm full of love and my color is orange and red. I'm very hottest planet in our solar system and I'm very hot for everyone. My name is Earth. I'm the 3rd planet from the sun. I have an organic life and my color is green, blue, white and peach. My name is Mars. I'm the 4th planet from the sun. I'm full of dust and my dust color is orange and red. There are 8 planets in the solar system revolve around the sun. Join us to learn about the different planets. A single login had some fun. My name is Jupiter. I'm the 5th planet from the sun. I'm color in cloudy and I'm biggest one. My name is Saturn. I'm 6th planet from the sun. I have circle-shaped rings and I'm color in brown. My name is Uranus. Scientists say I'm full of eyes because I'm very coolest. I'm 7th planet from the sun. I'm color in blue. My name is Neptune. I'm far from the sun and I'm color in dark blue. I'm the 8th planet from the sun. Jazakallahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.